Let's see, let's see. There we go. Is this working? Oh, it's working now. Oh, there we go. It's working now. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. There it is. There it is. Uh, let's see. Let's see how is this. Does work? I'm figuring it out. There we go. Yes, it does work. So let me polish this a bit. Link. Okay. There we go. Let's put it there. Dev stream. All right. Is this working? It works, right? Okay. Oh, there we go. Just close that. And there we go. So, what am I doing today? So, I decided to implement or add, let's see, what's it called?
Oh, recoil.
Recoil mechanics, the recoil animation into the game. I have the rest hidden here. There we go. Everything is hidden except for what I'm working on right now, which is this. And I mostly have the scripts ready, but I've come to the terrible realization, which is I did it wrong. So I'm streaming this now. I'm streaming this now, so that it's good. You hear me? You know? You hear? Alright. So I've gone ahead and started doing the assault rifle and the Beretta. Here, if I take this, there we go, it has the idle animation. You shoot it, shoot. There you go, it shakes the rifle when you shoot. I might fix it, because it looks a little odd. Because the Beretta... So, it appears that it doesn't look good enough. So, I'm gonna fix this. Open the animation. Go. Has some music in the back. I don't know, it's something that YouTube put together.
You call that a knife? Well, actually, no, that's not a knife. That is a bayonet. Bayonet. Cold sweat, bayonet.
Let's see. Let's see if that looks good. There you go. You know what? What the hell? Let's add some position to it. There you go. Boom. Like that. Delete that. Why is it not saving? Position. Save it. Save. There you go. Why is it not saving it? Oh, the mag is a little off too. That was not where I meant to click. Okay, let's see. Fix this real quickly. Oh, that should work. Let's see.
7. From airsoft events to online gaming, guess which boy is dominating? Guess which boy is worth hating?
Add event keyframe. Turn by selection. Why? Or let's see. Wait, let's say that. No, it doesn't. Delete this. Now let's remove this property. Let's see if we can make it look good with just with just the rotation. And I think the music might be a little loud. Eh. Oh no, it's too low. Hey, let's just playlist put together by YouTube. Let's see. What's this? There we go. Alright. So back. Hold on, let me see if anyone's looking. Nobody is looking. Nobody's watching. Let's see. So looks like it's kind of bouncing. Actually, no, that looks good. I think that looks good. Nobody watching, so I can't receive judgment. Let's see. Game tab. a deep, dark void of anything but serving range. And, shoot. That looks a little violent, I mean... Hmm. I think it's moving a little bit up too high, too. Let's see. Animation. Idle. Alright. Delete this frame. Actually, may need this keyframe. So if I just put myself, what does it look like now? Alright, I think this looks good. Oh, the texture's a little weird. Alright, I think that'll do for the assault rifle. And now time for the Beretta to be racked. Of course it's gonna be racked, it's not gonna do anything when it's racked. Looks kind of weird because you feel like you have it next to your face. Ah, and this is there we go. Alright, let's remove that keyframe.
Attention all users! It appears that somebody's been posting cringe!
There we go.
Thanks for the post, bro! Really cool!
I think that looks alright.
Comrade, you just posted cringe.
Let's take a closer look at this. Alright, so recoil is kind of just getting cut off by the idle animation. So let's see, this should, I hope this works. There we go. We plunge ourselves once more into the deep void of just not serving range. And just, there we go. Huh. I think that looks okay. How about the shoot? Alright, that looks good, I think. Nothing has animations yet as well. In the videos that I've posted, you might have noticed that these guns have sounds. Right now the audio manager is in inactive work. It's in the inactive work object. And it has everything that I'm not currently working on, so it helps with performance and stuff. So hold on, let me Okay, so the encoder is not. Okay, the encoder's fine. So, okay, good to hear, good to see, good to see this. What I was explaining here is that the inactive work object is the object that has anything I'm not currently working on, such as the cups, or the spawn, or the audio manager, and the audio manager isn't here, and it has all the um, noises. You see? Alright. Let's see, who's next? The Jin. VIN. Alright, so, I realized something kind of bad, a mistake I made. And on this script for resetting the position every time it shoots, because otherwise it would just run off. I don't know why it does that. Well, actually, I think it's a problem with the animation tree, that it just cuts off the animation halfway. It cuts off the animation halfway, and then the root motion makes it start up again from where it began. No, from where it ended up. So on top of having the shoot animation cut off, it also cuts itself off and makes it run away. This should work. There we go. Patiently importing. Let's give it a second. There we go. So now it should be good for doing this. It doesn't have an animation tree. So here in the animations, I'm going to this Jin incorrect, so I know what I'm doing. And that works. Jin idle. So what should I do? I think I'm gonna give it a forwards and backwards movement. Just make it move a little bit forward. Up. Maybe just tilt it a little bit, and then there we go. Give it a lot more space. I always do these in 5 second clips. There we go. So move it's a little fast. That 130. Now I think we should make a comeback motion, which is just aim it kind of that way. Aim it this way. So yeah, now when you're holding this, you come back. There we go. Oh, that looks nice. I think. Hmm. Let's see. Now for the firing. Gen recoil. Oh, what is this? Let's see. What is? Nobody watching me. Got 2 likes though. That's good. Thank you. Thank you for those likes. I appreciate it. Fire rate. It's 8. Not sure exactly how fast it is. Because the fire rate is how many times it shoots per second. Oh, it's per second, so hey, give me calculator. So 8 divided by 60, 1.33. So every 1.33 seconds. No, it should be the other way around. Yeah, every 7.5 frames. So here, make a kick. Reset that. Rotation. Kick here. And then put it back down. Kick. And I think how can I copy this here? Copy, paste. There we go. I think that works. I might actually just move everything.
Over 100-year-old design yet still not outdated. 7 rounds in the mag. People who can aim, they hate it. It's in service site. I've scattered. Just come join and go. Do this sometimes you just want.
There we go. So now it's.
There was a leader. Also catch up for a gun that was 9mm nugget revolver replacement.
Oh, that's.
Sometimes you gotta go fast.
See this over. There we go. And that should be it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. We can fix that. We can fix that. That works. That works.
That works. You know, that works.
No. Uh, let's see. Let me pull out the audio manager from here. And the knob as well. Because that's part of the UI and I can't see stuff without it. And I can't aim.
Either. There we go, that's the music. Forgot to add food motion.
There appears to have been a mistake. Like I forgot.
Got to apply root motion to specify that handling.
Gen, and I forgot to put together this controller.
Gen.
That is not supposed to go there. It's not where it belongs. I go generate. Go. Now make transition to idle. Wait, no, you can get rid. This transition can go away. You can go from any state. Make transition here. It has to go from idle to recoil, and then recoil back, make it to idle to racked. And recoil, it should have exit time. There we go. And just a little bit more exit time. There we go. This works. This works.
Let's see. That should work as well. Oh. And this is still not firing because I still haven't specified it. Gen. There we go. Gen, the animator gen. It's because it's not called right. Okay, it's not called the right one. So I set it up so it only takes just idle and just recoil and just rack, not gen recoil, not gen rack, not gen idle.
Oh, well, how about that? What you think about that?
I'm sorry if this is a little light for you guys.
This is not giving it exit time. Oh, I know what the problem is.
Said it's calling it every frame once. Fire rate.
So here's a big change. I think we actually have to get rid of most of these. Great. Every kick should be every seconds for. There we go. That should work. That looks good.
This should work. It's not giving it time to exit. The audio manager's struggling. Recoil idle. Has to be at the end. Sets the time. Recoil to idle. Let's get rid of that. I'm not completely sure what I'm doing.
This is one of the few times I've played around with the animator. I'm not completely sure what everything does. Pray. What if I give this the exit time? Excuse me, Spotify, I'm trying.
Stream something here.
Oh, I know what the problem is. It's that it's resetting the...
Resetting the thing. It's resetting the transform every time. Every time the fire is called. So, you know what? I have an easy fix to that problem. Yeet. There you go. This. Oh, come on. It's the problem somewhere else. Come back. Is it because speed? What if I put this through? There we go.
Let's see how that changes. I
I feel like I'm blind just walking through this. Just gotta bump into a few things before I get a sense of what I'm doing. Alright, I can see it just twitching a bit.
Can I get the lights in here, please? Lights.
Relight 3 been authorized to predict intensity. I don't know what they're gonna do. No. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Now, let's see, what if what if I put it up to 33? Let's see what that does.
I have virtually no clue of what I'm doing.
Low. That's not where it's supposed to be aiming. New recoil animation. Oh wait, here I have a plan. Let's select position. What the hell? That's not supposed to happen.
Where'd it go? Why are you going all the way over there? Let's see if the root motion fixes that.
Yeah. Hello? Can you like shoot the way I want you to? That's not the way you're supposed to be racked either. You just want to make people upset, don't you? Which hands is it using? Hands 2.
So you see the shape of each gun doesn't quite suit the transform I gave to all the to the player. So I have to
Give it another set of hands for each.
and
It's also faster and does basically discuss no performance. So it's kind of fine for this. What part of it is rotating? Why is it aiming down though? Oh, I know why it's aiming down. Little would I have known. Alright. Should just aim you up a little bit. There we go, that'll be good, that'll be good. Should be good for the Jin gun. So as you can see, the scene is a mess, but the scripts on each game object have set it up for so that every time you hit play, it resets and puts everything in order. Look at this mess.
Like, there's a bunch of guns out of place. There's a bunch of guns out of place. The Jin's over there. The assault rifle stuff out there.
This doesn't fit in there. This doesn't fit in there. All of these are cramped together in one spot. All of those are cramped together in one spot. Once I hit start, boom, it's all in place. Plus, it also has the UI on the right, so you know what you're showing. You're seeing. There we go.
And you have a counter for what you the shaker has on the left. So if you have spirits, right? The script broke. The scripts are broken because they don't have the animations right now. So only the guns that have it working are the ones that are going to fire. See this? Fires.
But this, it doesn't have the animations, so it doesn't fire. This doesn't have the animations either, so it doesn't fire either. It doesn't even have the UIs or the fruits in it. It's broken. It's basically giving up on each.
So, we have a goal now. It's to fix everything from my terrible programming.
See, Shadow Liquor next.
Setting fire to spam folder to the gulag with you pinker. I give you a cold shoulder when the suka pings. I feel that it is not very fun because when the drop hits, I add everyone.
There we go.
It's importing. Patience is a virtue. There we go. Alright, now time
To create an animation controller for this. Let's create an animation.
Even in my mailbox, they invade the way I'm thinking. What is up with all these bills? Suka, just stop pinging. Lots of drinks, vodka on ice, sitting there blinking. Hangover is calling me. Suka, just keep on my way to have a life.
SOL idle. There we go. And let me fix the look of this. There we go.
So I have idle. That's done. No, it's not the idle. So, well, it's the idle and it's been named the idle. So might as well just take advantage of the fact that it's set up like that. Rotation. X rotation. It might be a lot. There you go. That. Like that. Like that. So if let me just put this away. Just see how this looks. This looks. So if you have the face right. Next. Yeah, I think that looks good. I just actually no, not that one. So well, right. That's done because it doesn't have any movement. And SOL recoil. There you go. So for the recoil, you can only fire 3 times per second. So that. This is more of a position, so I have this, and then because when the explosion is farther out front, it gives you more incline, but when it's farther back, it hits into your shoulder more.
The breath of death.
There you go. Yeah, and it can get interrupted every time you press, so once it resets, I will do it. Now, set it up. Shadow Flicker, Animator. No, let's make you default state. Let's get rid of you. So I'll just put you like that. So idle. Recoil here. Let's see. Make sure that it can finish. The animation. There we go. I'm not sure exactly what is that I'm doing. There. Finish the animation, then it starts the transition right here.
There we go.
Let me check this again. See if we can get it on the first try.
Work. Obviously not. Because it's right there. How did I not see it? Anyways, root motion. Let's see. Idle. The idle works. The recoil works. No. This does not need exit time. And you need to apply root motion. How about now? Will this work? Why am I holding it right now? Where is it taking me? What the hell? Where are you taking me? What just happened? It's caught me again. Hold on. Hold on. Let me delete this position. What the hell?
My boy, it's time to say goodbye to your friends and family. And hello to the Horus Heresy.
What is going on? What is moving?
Rockets to Notre Dame, go to space, have some fun, kick some mushrooms, kill some orcs, executions, forget chords, don't forget the chaos gods with their bullshit witches squads. Trust me, man, it all makes sense. STC vodka blueprints, chainsaw to the neck. All Asinos gotta get. It's not AI, promise that it has been inside a vet. Grip surroundings, warm hearts, machine gun wants more parts. Cleanse it all from heresy, tyranny, Zerot galaxy. Patrolling the ultima segmentum. Almost makes you wish
Mode.
for an exterminatus. Papa squat for the emperor, the holy divine emperor. A squat for the emperor protects us. A squat for the emperor, the holy undead emperor.
Cycle.
For the emperor, Chronos was kind of like purple.
Hold on.
Papa squat for the emperor, the holy divine emperor. A squat for the emperor protects us. A squat for the emperor, the holy undead emperor. A squat for the emperor, Chronos was kind of
Come on. Let go of me. What are you doing? Unhand me. Unhand me. What the hell is going on? Handling. Rack, idle, recoil.
Warhammer is for everyone unless you are poor.
I gotta look with it. I gotta see what's going on. See what's going on here. Double liquor, gun pickup.
is what's going on, right?
The south, not that one.
Self, what does self have? Stronger. That's from, okay.
Mhm. Okay. I've picked extruded, but I don't know what's racked. Should be right. It's shooting, but not playing the audio. It's broke. And something's not right here.
Gotta be something doing that. I mean,
Focus the main camera. The main camera is fine. Would be. Do shoot. Can you like shoot?
why are you equipped already?
I have so many questions. It's not. Why are you already equipped? Why is. Why? Why? Wait. You appear to have made a mistake. This is supposed to happen when it shoots. There we go. I should fix it, I hope. Up the music. Yes, please keep watching.
It's actually asking for hacks that we're missing.
No, please just keep it up. There we go.
I go, please.
Oh,
Compiler errors have to be fixed. Shut the hell up, nerd.
if there's an S, just ignore it. The funny letter is E. What now? Elf. What the hell is elf?
Self. Ah, stupid. Shut. He didn't see anything. Now will it run?
Free. And see, animation works. Kicks. I think that works. So we got you set up. Got 6, 7, 8 guns left. How long's the stream been?
Almost an hour now.
Hey, welcome viewer. I don't know who's watching right now. Oh, Cat Bait and Shane. Hey, welcome. You got to stream. It's been going for an hour now. Or you've been watching for a while now and I haven't noticed. Anyways, welcome and thank you so much for joining. Let's set up this. The juice gun is a little long. space. There we go. Animation. Now we can make an animation. Animation.
Juice rack. It's rack, so you don't have to do anything. Juice idle. Let's see. As juice. Jeez. Here. Property, we can add location. Alright. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that is very violent. I don't like that. This does not work.
And this should also probably be a 5-second clip because that's how the rest are. Set up 130. There we go.
And I think that works.
This is more the front, so kiss. There you go.
Add juice. Recoil. There you go. So, here's rotation. Kick. There you go. I think that's good. Come on, kick, kick. There we go. There we go, that feels like more kick. Alright, now let me pull the juice, fruit juice thing, like this here, fruit juice here, fruit juice, apply root motion, handling, handling's up here, fruit juice gun. That should work. Yes, please. Come on. Please.
Ah, yeah. All the effects and same bug.
Started putting. I don't know what's going on, but I started putting it just in update instead of shoot. It's probably because of these long scripts. Encoder, frames, dropped frames. It has dropped nothing. Wow. There we go, just turn on the light so I can see better. Where I'm at. Let's see. It works. It works. Yes. Down, I can see down. Wrong names. See, that's the beauty that's the beauty of Unity. It lets you play test without having to build it every time. Except if your computer is not powerful enough for stuff like VR. That is, my computer is not powerful enough to run, not powerful enough to run VR games on its own. So every time I want to make a game in VR, I have to build it and then sideload it into my Oculus for it to work, and that should be good. Please. There you go, idle. Shoot, recoil. Like a mess. There you go. Alright, there we go, it works. Nice. I'm curious as to why it's not playing. Why is it not playing? It's probably because I'm not hitting anything. Yeah, you see the audio manager plays it every time I hit something with a collider. So it would probably play if I hit one of the shelves or the guns. But right now it's not working because I'm not hitting anything. Just literally firing into a void. I mean, it would work because you are completely surrounded with everything enabled. And then when I disable it, it just this. Alright, next. Alright, checklist is num and here start. Did I put it in shoot? Please tell me that I put it in shoot. And no, I did not. I did not put it in shoot. There we go. That should work. Yes. Wait for it to import. Now animation. That's not where it's supposed to go. Animators. Animations. Num. Right. Yeah, I think that works. Seems property. Why would I add a property for something that's supposed to stay still? Num idle.
I'm putting names on all of them so I can find the files later if something happens. But for the moment, names aren't very necessary. Idle. Feel like something like leaning forward a lot would be good.
Ну чё, пацанё, блядь? Старое
Just
говно
move a
вернулось
little
на своё
forward.
место, нахуй.
There you go.
Экраноплан, блядь.
And we'll just see the
Или туман, по дороге я буран. Check my driving now, пацан. Flying low, экраноплан. Ночью снег или туман. На дороге я султан. Contact with the road is gone. Flying low, экраноплан. Flying low, экраноплан.
make it a little inconsistent. Make it asymmetrical so as there we go. Make it asymmetrical so it kind of works. So it looks more natural.
Ночью снег или туман. По дороге я буран. Check my driving now, пацан. Flying low, экраноплан. Ночью снег или туман. На дороге я султан. Contact with the road is gone. Flying low, экраноплан.
And then
Я не
recoil.
быстро езжу. Я низко летаю на Пеха, Васик, Зарезик.
Ночью снег или туман. По дороге я буран. Check my driving now, пацан. Flying low, экраноплан. Ночью снег или туман.
Up,
На дороге я султан. Contact with the road is gone. Flying low, экраноплан.
Hit is down. Why do I keep putting it at 20?
Flying low, экраноплан.
I mean, I want to make it feel satisfying, these guns. Like as satisfying as the guns in Bioshock, however, these are not actually gunpowder guns. So I feel like making them too powerful, like making them feel powerful would be kind of a waste. And would not fit with the fact that they're literally shooting ingredients instead of bullets. So, in case you're a little lost, I'm programming a game called Serving Range about programming a game about a bar in Texas that uses guns to serve its drinks instead of the conventional way. And the joke behind this is that it's meant to be American Bar Simulator. However, I changed it because Serving Range had a much better ring to it. And there's already enough simulators out there. I wanted to make something more my own. So here we have Serving Range, and we have an entire project going on. State transition, make transition. No, no, you're the default state. Make transition to you. Make a transition to you. Make a transition to you. Sure this, because this is a really good recoil. Let's let's make sure that apply root motion. Handling. Shotgun.
The animation. Shotgun's supposed to go in animators. And let's see.
Have I done this correctly? Alright, I'm not being held by the face. This is here. Animation is playing. It kicks. And see, I was right about the audio manager.
Alright. There we go. There we go. There we go. It works.
Hold on, is the encoder overloaded? No, it's not. Wow, you guys are getting this at 60 FPS? Wow.
When I record, you might notice that in my recorded videos, you might notice
That the video is kind of out of sync.
so. It's because the encoder here gets kind of overloaded, and it's really frustrating when that happens because when that happens is it drops a ton of frames. But the fact that I've been able to stream this whole thing over to you guys without any of the frames dropping is really good. It makes me quite happy. Alright, so we have 6 guns left. Oh, what should I do? Put it in the chat. Oh wait. There's nobody watching.
There's nobody watching right now.
Let's see. I guess there is no point to waiting for
An answer, because
Alright, I did do this right. Or was I tapping laugh?
fruit.
So.
Investing in crypto is big brain. This is not financial advice. Блядь, do I have a fucking suspicion? This track is not
Let's see. Frame range, animators, animations. Now, fruit. Right. So I'm not entertaining enough. Wonder how I can improve. fruit recoil. Mhm. This is totally just a rotation problem. Yes. And give it another kick. Move this over to 10. Oh, that's nice. That looks nice. Good now. Fruit. I don't. Like this with just rotation. Make them shake it a bit. Move this over here. Sort this out. Yeah, well, that works. Just put this as rect.
Varbūt kāds nezina, bet mana karjera tikko atzīmē 3 gadu jubileju. Es vēlētos pateikt paldies visiem, kas mani atbalstījuši. Un tiem, kas paliek aiz borta, bet arī
Yes, yeah.
meklē mani kāpņu telpā, kur es esmu parods. Pietūties un investēju, piepilsētas varonis. Simtis saķiks nojāc bumbers puikas, tas
This and then
vakars tikai tad, kad mani redzēja tekpunktā. Es visu padirsu, ar šņabi taknā dodu vecā atsaldētais puika, kas tās visas slikti beidz. Uz zāles plaukiem veids, ja netupi un raksti hei,
Mhm.
saņem ir steak cakes. Pietūties un sveiks.
let me pull it out of animations. Tutti frutti. Here.
Apply root motion. And did I do it right? Every time I load in the game, my own music catches me off guard. And by the way, no, I cannot play the drum or the guitar. These are just sounds I've taken in from freemusic.org. No, freesound.org. And I've put them together with using Audacity into a way that I think sounds nice. Kind of slow paced. I forgot to put in the handling. That was dumb. Tutti frutti. There we go. That should do it.
Like this suggest to be sure.
Where'd it go? Oh, that is stretching it in a bad way. No. Muy mal. No, muy mal. Sad scale property. make sure it keeps the right scale.
That should do it, right?
No, 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 no. So I guess we can't do that then. See, let's just move it. Use position movement.
I see you on my scanner. I go reaching for the pen hammer. I see you
And
on
that
my
should work.
scanner.
Well, anyways,
Motherfucking pen hammer.
it's from now on, it's just gonna be
A lot of the same stuff like for this stream. So I don't think I'll bother streaming the rest of it. So